This is Desiree, and in this video I'll be going over the parts of the ear and how hearing works. So to start off, we will start with the different structures of the ear. This is the auricle, that outer ear, or the pinna. Again, excuse me, my drawing is not very anatomically correct. Here we have the external acoustic meatus, which meets into the eardrum or the tympanic membrane. And just behind it is a little pocket. It's called the tympanic cavity. In that, you will see the three small bones in our ears hooked up together. So we have the incus, malleus, stapes, and then connecting to this area here, which is the cochlea and our semicircular canals. Below it we have like another little tube, which is just our auditory tube that goes into the nasopharynx. Right here is the cochlea, and here we can show the vestibular cochlear nerve, which is a nerve that helps with hearing, attaching onto the cochlea and those semicircular canals. We also have a facial nerve that kind of comes into play over here as well, but not as important as that vestibular cochlear. This area here, it would be our temporal bone. How hearing works. So, sound waves would enter the auricle through the external acoustic meatus, hitting the drum. The drum then vibrates to reproduce the sound that came through that from that source. Then the auditory ossicles, or the bones in our ears, amplify, vibrate together, and transfer vibrations to the end of the stapes. And then the movement of the stapes at the oval window transfers the vibrations to the perilymph and the scala vestibuli. Vibrations pass through that membrane and enter the endolymph of the cochlear duct, where they move to the basilar membrane. Different frequencies of the vibration will stimulate different sets of receptor cells. As the receptor cell depolarizes, its membrane becomes more permeable to calcium ions. And so the inward diffusion of these ions cause the vesicles at the base of the receptor cells to release those neurotransmitters. And then they would stimulate the dendrites of the nearby sensory neurons. So then the sensory impulses are triggered on the fibers of that cochlear branch of the vestibular cochlear nerve. And then the auditory cortices of the temporal lobes interpret those sensory impulses. Thank you.